Hello family, this is Akuya Das all again. Today we are baking hoisin chicken wings. This is mouthful, delicious, flavorful and yummy chicken wings, and it's a must try. You will need 10 to 15 chicken wings. Dab some of the waters out of your chicken. And ingredients are the scallions or green onions, 4 sticks. We have thumb of ginger, 4 mans of clove garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey, 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, which can be found in any grocery store, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add all the ingredients to the chicken. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix all the ingredients together with the chicken. After you're done mixing it together, go ahead and cover your chicken and marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes. You don't have to put it in the fridge. You can also put it in the fridge if you decide to do that. After 15 minutes, go ahead and open your chicken and then oil your pan and lay your chicken as you want. Just make sure that you are mixing, or you are basically dabbing the chicken in the sauce before you lay it in the pan, so at least you can have some of the marinade in the chicken. Also go ahead, after that you have to preheat your oven to 350. Do remember to save the marinade because you're gonna be using it while it's baking. Now bake your chicken for 30 minutes, and between that 15 minutes, pull the chicken and add more of the leftover sauce into it. After you do that, 30 minutes after, make sure that you turn your broil on and then broil your chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Each 2 minutes turn it, and then you can also add some of the sauce to it. Do not forget to also use the sauce on your pan and just rub it in your chicken. And listen family, this is a delicious recipe that you want to try. Listen, if you try it and you don't like it, comment down below and I'll give you your money. This is delicious recipe that you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye bye.